CapCut doesn't have built-in chart tools like PowerPoint or Excel. You can still create animated bar charts using keyframes, shapes, and text. Open CapCut on your PC and import a white background. You can import it from the library. Add text and stretch it to 5S. Type minus multiple times in the text box. Decrease character to -3. Now duplicate the text and make a y-axis line. Increase the size of the y-axis line. Now add a video background to the timeline and resize it. Click right on the video background, go to the edit and choose the crop option. Afterwards, resize it and place it on the x-axis. Then go to the mask option and apply a split mask. Reverse this mask and hide the bar completely. Apply initial keyframe here and move the playhead to end of video and drag the mask upward. Keyframe will create automatically. Duplicate the video and place it on the top of the first layer a few frames ahead. Drag the bar towards the right side of the screen and cut the second layer as it matches the other clip. Move the playhead to the end of the second layer and go to the mask and show the bar by dragging the mask upward. Now add text under these two graphs. Play the video for a final look. If any changes are required, make them and export it.